Hello there, this is George with Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. And if you know what a Saturn Sky is, you're definitely going to know that this is not a new vehicle. This one is a little bit out of our norm. Over 90% of my clients, probably over 95% of my clients are all brand new vehicles, so 25s, 26s. And this gentleman's first experience with me was also a brand new vehicle. He had a 25 Buick in here a couple weeks ago. He said, hey, I'm going to be pulling my Sky out of storage, and I would love to have a coating applied to it as well. So we did apply ceramic coating to the paint, nice little polish to add some shine. But this is, it's a summer vehicle. So it's, he didn't go crazy on it. We only did a 2-year coating because it's mainly garage kept. He'll see 3-4 years out of said 2-year coating. Again, because it's only seen a couple seasons, it's almost always dry days, it's definitely hand washed. So it's just not facing the usual abuse that daily drivers and brand new vehicles face. So again, we are your local ceramic coating experts. We're based in Appleton. It's where our studio's at. We serve the Appleton, Grand Chute, De Pere, Green Bay, Oshkosh, whole Fox Valley. In our studio here, we also offer mobile installation to the entire state. All that's required is a garage with basic water and power hookups, and it's got to stay over 50 degrees. So during the summer, that's not a problem. In the winter, it does need to be a heated garage to allow the coating to cure. So if you are looking for a quote for a new car, truck, or SUV in northeastern Wisconsin, I would love to hear from you. Again, my name is George. You can text me at 920-659-0023. Again, that's 920-659-0023. We also post all of our pricing in over 40 different places on our website. It is not hidden. I'm the most transparent guy you'll ever meet. I only believe in selling products where they make sense, and I believe in being, open and honest about everything, including price. So it's not hidden. Toyotas pay the same price as Maseratis. It all starts at $875 on the website for a 5-year coating on a vehicle this size. We do have a 2-year coating for a couple $100 cheaper. Our best-selling package by far is our gold package, which will include a step of paint correction, an 8-year coating applied to the paint. You'll also have coating applied to the rims, glass, trim, plastics, literally everything except the rubber. So I hope to talk to you soon. Again, George with Coatings by the Bay. You can text me anytime at 920-659-0023. I would love to get you a quote. Have a good one.